All right, now it's time for our exercise. And come on in, it's your turn. Let me set up the music for you.
Oh, good. We have quite a few of the people that do Tai Chi with us. So, would you, my students stand up so that I can put you in a certain spot so people can see, watch you? Okay? Okay. Good. Let's see. Let's see. Anna, I'm going to put you right in the middle of the back, and then Cora, maybe I'll put you on the left side, and then we'll put, let's see, do we have that with us? It helps you to loosen up your head and neck muscles and your body, and Tai Chi is very good for you for flexibility and suppleness, and it helps you to exercise every muscle in your body. Okay, if you do it right. So anyway, we're going to do just the 18 therapies for you first, and then we're going to do the 24 simplified Yang style Tai Chi Chuan. Okay, so if you stand up and do it with us, it would be nice for you to and if you find that anything hurts while you're moving a certain way, don't do it that way. Just skip that part and then follow the best you can. Okay? If you, for those who want to join us, I'm going to play the music and then we'll go from there.
The first 6 steps relieves pain in the neck and shoulders. The second 6 steps relieves pain and stiffness in the waist. And the last of the 18 therapies, the last 6 steps, prevents and relieves pain in the hips and the legs.
Turn your head to the left side first, and then center. a 24 simplified gang style Tai Chi for you. But the rug is going to be a problem because we cannot slide, and it's going to maybe throw us off balance. So instead of doing the 24, we're going to do the part 2 Wushu Kung Fu exercise, okay? Part 2 Wushu Kung Fu exercise. So if you're not too tired, follow this. This is a short one, just like the first one. The first one is supposed to loosen up your muscles, your arms and your legs, and loosen up your joints. So a lot of people, after they do it, they feel better. Maybe if it's the first time you use those muscles, it hurts. But after you do it once, the next time you do it, it'll be much better. And if you want to, you're welcome to come to my classes because they're no charge, and it's a good exercise for older people like myself, and it helps you loosen up your body and help you gain balance, which is number one, the main thing that we want to do when we learn Tai Chi. We try to learn to balance ourselves, okay? Because seniors are very prone to falling, and then that's a major cause of accidents. So if you do nothing but learn to balance yourself, you gain, all right? So we just do the second warm-up, and then we'll just take questions and answers after that, all right? Okay. We'll do the number 2, the Wushu or the Kung Fu exercise, and that's